It was a great honor to see His Holiness again. I had the pleasure for the very first time of shaking his hand in Geneva way back in 1979 or 80. Since then, I've had the honor of meeting him 3 or 4 times. For me, there are no words to describe the extraordinary human being that he is, the wisdom, the compassion. He spoke to us today of the importance of religious harmony, of his respect for India, where he has been living for more than 50 years, his own faith in having an open mind, in talking to scientists. It was a very interesting conversation. We had the great honor of being with him. At 89, may God grant him even more long life and the ability to share his wonderful wisdom and compassion with so many more of us. But I feel honored. The scarf is from him, blessed by him. I'm deeply touched, and I cannot say that that there is any experience quite like the experience of meeting His Holiness, because you feel that holiness in him that comes to you and that bathes you in light. I mentioned to him that in the group with me we had 2 Muslims, a Christian and 2 Hindus, and we believe very much in his belief in compassion for all and religious harmony in our society. And of course, I am very honored that he blessed us and blessed us all. And as the years move on, it becomes so much more precious to have these moments with him when possible. He has given the world so much, and to be touched by it personally is a special honor.